In continuation to my videos before, here again I am going to demonstrate that this is how the fractured cords have made the facility for the rainwater to go underground. As we go further in this land, you will see that more and more fractured cords will come in our way. And at the same time, you can see that last year, because of the heavy storm water, this another area of the fractured cord. We will clear it slowly and show that how the water is going down. Thank you. Another site in the park where one can see that rainwater is flowing down onto a low-lying area, and further this whole water is going underneath the rock, and under to that is the fracture rock where the rainwater is going and flowing down and going underground. Here in this park, in the C Block Community Center, it's something surprise to see that there are almost 5-6 fractured rocks where from different areas of the park is the rainwater is going down to the fractured rocks area, and no water is stopped. Though it's very heavy rain, still the water is flowing down. This is something need to be seen, how the nature is helping itself in harvesting the rainwater down to the aquifer. It's one of the very beautiful examples to see how this discovery is made, and how this innovation is done, and how the water is being drawn downstairs into the aquifer, and this area is explored, and one can see that how this water is going. Similarly, further, I've done some innovation, and through this innovation only, through this looking at the total discharge of the water and total flow of the water, one has to make some innovation so that no water is wasted, and at the same time water is flowing underground. Another fractured rock area in the Papriwala Park, where when the water is going down to the aquifer. Another fractured cord area. This also the water is totally going down to this fractured cord area as well. This is a big area which had already explored by me about few years ago, and here it is in the low-lying area, and here in this whole of this area, the rainwater, as soon as it comes down, it is further going through all these areas down and charging the aquifer. This has actually been explored many years ago, but then this filled up with the boulders, and now you can see that water is going through the boulder area and the fractured rock area, which is big area which is filled with the boulders, is not seen. Of course, the rainwater does not collect here. That means it is going down to the aquifer. Here is another site of fractured rocks, most probably because one can see this type of little mouth, and after that this needs to be explored, but one can see the rainwater is going down into this fractured rock area, and this needs to be explored further, so that this will also be useful for rainwater to go down into the aquifer. This is the water I'm going to collect into this fractured rocks area. This is another site in the sea block center area where the water is going slowly to the underground pit from where the water is going underground, and this pit has been filled up with different boulders, different size boulders, so that no twigs of the surrounding area, no leaves of the surrounding area goes into the pit. This, of course, this is the latest addition to the videos, and this will take time to settle it properly so that rainwater harvesting is done in a proper manner. Another area in the sea block center where the rainwater is flowing down onto the fractured rocks area, which has been dug from the surrounding side, you can see, and this is there. Ultimately, this water is going to the fractured rocks. You can see this is widely shown here, and all this fractured cord area, the water is going to this underground. The unnamed park is little higher than the Papriwala Park, and you can see the rain is so heavy that from the unknown park the water is going down the slope into the Papriwala Park. See, this is a heavy flow of the water there, and this is going. Sometime back I had made this break in the wall in the lower end of the walls so that the water from the higher area, rainwater from the higher area can go down to the park, and this is effective today after many years because the rainwater was not so heavy. The rain was not so heavy during the last few years, but today it has been very, very heavy, and you can see how the water is going. Another fractured rock seen now, where you can see the water, rainwater is flowing down to the pit, which is naturally created at lower side, and you can see that how the rainwater is going to this pit underground directly. You can see the big flow of the rainwater and entering the fractured rock, which hereby I've seen it for the last nearly half an hour, and the water is going as it is, and it's not collected anywhere. Hence, one can presume that this is going underground, charging the aquifer. Here is a situation at a nursing home complex in the Naraina Vihar. There is a slope of the land in about 5 feet, and one can see that the rainwater is going down, and this water has been diverted by a drain which is collecting the water, and this is going and joining the bigger drain. Similarly, the rainwater is also coming through another drain, and both these drains, they join together, and make a bigger drain. Thus drain, automatically this water, rainwater is going down the slope, and you can see there is a very heavy rainfall today, and because of that there is very heavy water collection. It's going down the slope, and going to a place where naturally a pit is made of its own by the pressure of the rain, and one can see this pressure of the water making the pit more deeper, and whole of this water in a natural way joining the underground water. Thank you. This is a big area which had already explored by me about few years ago, and here it is in the low lying area, and here in this whole of this area the rainwater, as soon as it comes down, it is further going through all these areas down and charging the aquifer. This has actually been explored many years ago, but then this filled up with the boulders, and now you can see that water is going through the boulder area, and the fracture rock area, which is big area which is filled with the boulders, is not seen. Of course, the rainwater does not collect here. That means it is going down to the aquifer. This is another area. You can see that water is coming down from the NH2 building side, and it is coming down to the slope, coming down to this area. The water is flowing very heavy, and since my other two pits, which is shown in the video 1, rainwater harvesting, is now blocked with the leaves, and that's why the water is collected here. Now I shall remove these leaves from the wire mesh so that the water can go directly. I have shown in video 2 on the YouTube on rainwater harvesting by me, where this area, this fractured rock was explored, was discovered, and this was further an innovation was put so that the leaves and the twigs, they do not block this wire mesh area. However, this cannot be sorted out until unless I do something else and then make some well like others. And you can see that how the heavy rainwater from the park area is going down onto this rainwater harvesting pit. Rainwater harvesting down into this water is going down, charging the aquifer directly. This water is not collected anywhere, it's going straight and recharging the aquifer. Now I'm going to remove these leaves which are blocking this area, and further all these leaves are being removed. All these leaves are being removed so that the water goes down unchecked. The fractured rock area was blocked by the leaves. And now this has opened it. I've opened it, and you can see how the water is going down to the fractured rock area. So fast is going. And this water, of course, is coming so heavily from the upper area of the NH2 building. Upper area of the NH2 building. This is NH2 building. And this water, you can see, when I have opened this, whole block forward, and the water is getting underground directly now. Within minutes you will see that all of this rainwater, which has been blocked by this, is going very fast now